Hello friends, online lectures of Object Oriented Programming, College of S&D Engineering College and Research Center Yeola, Department of Computer Engineering. Myself, Professor Saukar Dhanashri, Department of Computer Engineering. Subject is Object Oriented Programming. Unit number 1, Fundamental of Object Oriented Programming. In this lecture, topic will be covered of Introduction to Object Oriented Programming Paradigm, accessing class and members. The data, members and member functions of a class can be accessed using the dot operator with object. The example of accessing data member: define class, access specifier, attribute, variable, string and object of my class, access attribute and set values. Next topic will be access specifier. There are three access specifier: public, private and protected. Example: class is public access, private class is private access and protected class is access. The public access specifier are accessible to outside the world. Protected access specifier is accessible by derived classes, and private data are not accessible outside. Separating interface from implementation. Class is a declaration, the abstract definition of interface. The function include the details of the implementation. It is possible to separate interface from the implementation by placing them in separate files. The class declaration goes in header files with .h extension, whereas implementation goes in the .cpp file, which must include the user defined header file. Interface versus implementation. Interface is the declaration of the class. Implementation, the definition of the member of function. Interface and implementation are typically separate into different files, also separate from main drive file. For rectangle class, interface is rectangle.h and implementation rectangle.cpp extension. Next, a function. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. Functions are used to perform certain actions and they are important for reusing code. Define the code once and use it many times. The declaration of function and void my function is the create function and my function is the call function. Function prototype. The function prototype serves the following purpose. First, it states the return type of the data that the function will return. It states the number of arguments passed to the function. It states the data type of the which of the pass arguments. It states in order in which the arguments are passed to the function. The function prototype are example. This is called line function, header function, the function statement, return variable or literature of return type, the function prototype and function definition. Thank you friends for watching this video.